Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find COMFYGO Robusto electric mountain bike, 40-mile range 48 volts 750 watts motor electric mountain bike for adults, Shimano 7-speed shift, step-through motorized bike COMFYGO bike. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details, bike type electric bike, age range, description, adult, brand COMFYGO, number of speeds 7, color midnight blue, wheel size 20 inches, frame material aluminium, suspension type front, special feature lightweight, aluminium frame, electric. Included components taillight, battery, headlight, brake-styled disc. Model name Robusto. Lithium battery energy content 10.4 watt-hours. Item package dimensions LXWXH 62 by 34 by 12 inches. Package weight 72 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH 73 by 28 by 42.5 inches. Brand's name COMFYGO. Warranty description Go Bike electric bikes comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty. That's right, the frame and motor are guaranteed for life. The electronics and all other parts, handlebars, seat, forks, shocks, wheels, etc., that are attached to the frame are guaranteed for 12 months. The lithium ion battery is guaranteed for 6 months. Material aluminium. Suggested users unisex adult. Manufacturer Ningbo KS Medical Tech CO, limited part number Busto.